Hi class. Hey, before I introduce the new letters and sounds, I just want to do a quick review of our sounds that we've already learned. So just remember this is an A, and the A says A. B, and the B says B, 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 B. C, and the C says K, K, K. D, and the D says D, D, D. E, and the E says E, E, E. F, and the F says F, F, F. G, and the G says G, G, G. H, and the H says I, and the I says I, I, I. J, and the J says J, J, J. Now for our new letters this week, we have the letters K, and the K says K, so I kick. The K says K, K, K. L, and the L says O, O, O. M, and the M says N, and the N says N, like you're gonna hammer in a nail. So N. So just a quick review. So the M says the L says O, like lick. K, and the K says K, like kick. Oh, and that's all for this week because we only have 4 letters this week because we have 4 days of school. I look forward to teaching you our letters next week. We're almost to the end of our alphabet, which is really exciting, and I look forward to seeing your progress.